Hello everyone, I'm Shalima and I have been teaching English for over 10 years. But imagine, what if one day I fell and hit my head so hard that I forget everything I knew? How would I begin speaking English again from zero? Usually, the videos I make are for people who already know a little about English speaking. But this one is different. It's for you if you are starting from scratch. Even if you think, I don't know anything about English, or you have no idea how to even begin a sentence, this video will help you to take your very first step. And if you already know a little, stick around. You might still pick up something new. So let's start with the absolute basics. How to begin speaking English confidently even with zero knowledge. So watch this video till the very end and I promise it will be worth it. Here, before beginning this session, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's talk about the step number 1. Learn the action verbs. Yes, learn the action verbs. You probably don't even know yet what action verbs are. So let me tell you what are they and how you can learn them. So you can start speaking English from day 1. Because today we are talking about something very simple but very powerful, that is action verbs. So if you are starting English speaking from zero and this is your golden key, action verbs are also called verbs. They are the words that show what someone is doing. They are the movement, the energy, the heartbeat of every sentence. So every time you eat, you sleep, you talk, you smile, you cry, you are doing an action. And in English, these actions have names. Eat, sleep, talk, smile, cry. So let me tell you a secret. If you learn just 20 action verbs, you can already start speaking English. So action verbs are important because they help you to talk about your daily life. They help you describe what you are doing. They make your sentences come alive. Without action verbs, your sentence feels empty. For example, I food. This is incomplete. But if you add one action word, it becomes I eat food. Now it makes sense? Alright. Now, so first of all, let me tell you why you are going to start with action words first. So when you start learning to speak English, your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to be understood. And action verbs helps you do that quickly. You don't need hard grammar or big vocabulary. Just say what you are doing. So let's practice all together. So first one is I eat rice. I drink water. I walk to the market. I sleep at 10. I talk to my friend. See, these are simple sentences, but they are complete and you are speaking English. If you are starting English from zero, don't be scared. Start with action verbs. They are easy, they are useful, and they are powerful. Say them, use them, repeat them, and soon you will be speaking English confidently. And I'll be with you in every step of the way. So let's grow together. So are you guys ready to take your first action? If you are ready, please let me know in the comments and tell me how many action verbs you know it. Now let's talk about the second step, that I'll share a beautiful trick that makes your English speaking easy and fun from your very first day. It's called Hindi-English mix or transitional speaking. So listen, when your knowledge is zero, the biggest fear is, what if I say something wrong? You freeze, you hesitate, you avoid speaking. But with Hindi English mix, you speak freely without pressure. This technique helps you a lot. You will stay consistent, you will stay confident while learning, express daily thoughts easily, and you will slowly build sentence structure without stress. So think of it like this. English is a new road. Hindi is your strong support. Or whatever the mother tongue is yours, is your strong support. So together they guide you step by step. Alright? Now, first of all, let me tell you some good things about transitional speaking. First of all, the first one is you don't get stuck if you forget an English word. Use Hindi and keep going. You start speaking from day one, no need to memorize big grammar rules. Number 3 is you stay motivated because you understand what you are saying. And number 3, you enjoy speaking instead of feeling lost. Alright, and now here I would like to give you few examples which is mixed in Hindi and English. For example, that feel natural. Instead of मैं स्कूल जा रही हूँ, you can say I am जा रही हूँ to school, like this. So instead of वो सो रहा है, you can say he सो रहा है now. Right? Instead of मैं खाना बना रही हूँ, you can say मैं या फिर you can say I am बना रही हूँ lunch, like this. This way your sentence are part of your English, part of Hindi, but 100% meaningful. So you are not just learning English words, you are living the language in your routine. Why it is a brilliant first step? It builds confidence before fluency, it removes fear before grammar, it grows love before perfection. So if you are starting English from zero, don't wait to become perfect. Just begin speaking. Use this mix, feel proud and take the first step. Because every I am जा रही हूँ, every he बोलता है fast is progress. If you are smiling, then you just smile. Now let's talk about step number 3. It's simple but very powerful. This is basic sentence patterns. Yes, if you are someone who says मुझे English बोलना तो है but मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, then listen it very carefully guys. This one step can truly change your life. Basic sentence patterns are like ready-made formulas. They help you build simple, clear sentences even when you don't know big vocabulary or grammar. Think of them as building blocks. You add your own words, you are speaking English patterns. So the examples are I am dash dash, this is dash dash, I like dash dash, he is dash dash, I have. So you don't need full knowledge. Just plug in one word and your sentence is ready. They are easy to remember, they remove hesitation, they give you structure, and they let you express your feelings, routines and needs. So with these simple patterns, you can start speaking from day one with confidence, not fear. So guys, no need to study hard rules. Just learn 5 to 6 patterns first. Okay, if you don't know English anymore, you learn these 5-6 patterns, use them, repeat them, and you are already speaking English. Alright guys, now let me tell you one more thing. Join my free 30 days spoken English course available on my YouTube, and it's free. It's beginner friendly, Hindi English mix for smooth learning, and you can watch all 30 videos in one easy playlist. So link is in my description. Click and start speaking from today. Now it's time for challenge. So today I challenge you to pick any 3 patterns and create sentence about your life. For example, I am a teacher. This is my mobile. I like chocolates. Say them out loud, write them down, teach them to someone else, and let them be your little steps forward fluency. Let them be your little steps towards fluency. So if you are starting from zero, remember, start with action verbs and then move to basic sentence patterns. They are simple, they are smart, and they are your first victory in English. So we have learned action verbs, basic verbs patterns, and how to use Hindi English mix. Now we move to a beautiful and powerful habit that is called listening. Yes, let me ask you a question. How did you learn your mother tongue? Did you start by reading grammar books? No. You learned by listening to your parents, family, and friends. You heard words, you copied sound, and you understood feelings. The same magic works for English too. If you start listening to English every single day, even just for 10 minutes, it will make speaking easier, smoother, and natural. And guys, let me tell you, it builds vocabulary naturally, trains your ears to understand pronunciation, and improves sentence structure in your mind, helps you to speak with confidence, and you will feel effortless, no heavy studying. Even if you don't understand every word, keep listening. Your brain will pick up patterns like a child. Pick up the words. Okay? Now, in this part, I am going to tell you how to practice listening as a beginner. Okay? No need for big books for fancy apps. Start small, start simple. Okay? Watch English cartoons or stories with subtitles. Okay? For example, you can watch Peppa Pig, Dora, Mr. Bean clips. Listen to slow English songs and try to feel the words. Watch my beginner videos. Repeat what I say. Okay? And you use short YouTube clips or reels for Hindi English mix. Copy one sentence daily, repeat it 5 times like a song. Okay? And if I talk about, transitional listening, Hindi English mix. Start with content that uses Hindi English mix just like how I teach. So it helps your brain to understand meanings and emotions at the same time. For example, I am ja rahi hu to the market. So you hear English and Hindi in one line. You feel relaxed, not confused. Now it's time for a challenge, guys. Now the challenge is listen and repeat. So you need to find a video or a clip today that has simple English. Listen to just one sentence, pause, and repeat it 5 times. Even if your tongue twists or you feel silly, still repeat. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. So guys, listening is not just a step 4, it's a daily habit. It's how babies learn. It's how you can learn, slowly, gently, and joyfully. So next video, we will learn how to ask questions in English using the patterns we have learned. But for today, just listen, because when your ears become strong, so guys, just take a moment and smile, because you have already taken your first big step in English speaking. And day before yesterday, I have uploaded a video. You can watch that video also, because there I have shared 4 secret codes. And you have learned how to begin with action verbs, how to use easy sentence patterns, how to speak confidently with Hindi English mix, and now how to grow through listening. Alright, so even if you have started with zero knowledge, look at you now. You are building sentences, expressing feelings, and gaining confidence. It's not about perfection, it's about growing up, learning with love, and speaking with courage. And I'm walking with you guys day by day, word by word. And don't forget to watch my 30 days spoken English course, as well as you can watch my 4 codes, the English speaking codes, secret codes that will make you fluent. Alright, so if you want to keep practicing, don't forget to watch my 30 days free spoken English course, which is available on YouTube, which is free of cost. Go and check the description, check the playlist, and start watching. Every single video is designed for beginners like you, with real examples and everything you will get there. So go and watch my 30 days spoken English course, which is free of cost. Now, English is not a subject, it's a journey. Speak with your heart, learn with joy, and remember your voice matters. So go ahead, say it loud, and I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm speaking. Say it like this out loud. Alright? And so I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video to your friends. Shalima signing off. Take care and speak English with confidence. All the best.